honestly don't know which was worse. The taxi drive, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, scary stuff. Or the fact when I got to the marina, the starter battery on Sweet Chariot was dead. And I went into panic mode. But thank you, Chris, manager at Market Bosworth, offered up the jump cables, so I was able to just run a cable from one of the leisure batteries to my starter battery, turn the key, and away we are. And it's a beautiful day for a cruise as well. Can't be bad. This morning we're going to pick up Sweet Chariot from Market Bosworth, take it to Ashby Canal Centre. A couple of hours cruise, but it's a job that's got to be done. It's got to get down to the broker. We're just waiting for a cab at the moment. Right, that's it. Hopefully this will be the last time I see her. Big Willie's come to the rescue, come to give us a lift. And there she is, all ready to go. Just waiting for the survey. Job done.